Hey guys, Josh here, bringing you another video today. Let me fix my volume a little bit. Today I'm going to be talking with you about that car that I got in the mail yesterday. And here's the thing, I have been thinking about it a whole bunch of times, and I don't think that car will work because of the wheels are so big. And I got something here. My wife did give me this great idea though. But before we get into this video right now, go ahead and hit that like button. Also smash the notification out of that subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And hit that subscribe button to support my channel. And also hit that little notification button. Every time I upload videos, you guys will be able to get notifications and everything. Now, today, I got a package today, and I know what it is, but you guys don't know, but I'm kind of glad I'm getting this stuff now before my DeLorean gets here. My wife was thinking about doing this, make this into the RC DeLorean. Now, I know I'm selling it, but I gotta dust it. But it does have the right features on it, but here's the one thing that's a little bit. It's all four-wheel drive, and it's very, very, very fast. I mean, you can also see about on the tires right here. Now the wheels, I know the wheels are exactly the exact same size. So basically, it's not going to take me that long to actually glue the DeLorean's hubcaps on. I mean, I got super glue, and that probably will work. So this right here, I probably will do for sure. And as for the other car, I was thinking that can be a restoration project that we can actually do. Leave me know something in the comments down below if we should do that. Have that car be a restoration project. And then also, if it actually turns out real great, basically maybe one of you guys will win it. Now, if you guys like that, you guys like to have a nice custom Corvette 1.8 scale, leave me know in the comments down below also, and we'll have that be a restoration project, and also I'll give away as a grand prize. Now today I got this in the mail, which I'm kind of glad I got this in the mail now, because I will need this, because matter of fact, the World of Wade actually gave me this idea, and to use this, and as soon as I get the darn thing open, nothing's in the package. That's good. Oh my god, all this stuff is down here. I gotta clean up. Ah, dang it. Alright, now what I got now is a pill box. Now this is like an ordinary pill box. You can get this at the grocery store for a couple cents or a couple bucks. Depends on which one you want. I don't know how many different brands of screws that there is, but if there is, I got me a 14-day pill box, and we're going to have every single of the screws of the DeLorean in here. So this will be great. And also you see it says like PM, AM, PM, AM, PM, AM, PP. Well, basically, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to put everything in this pill box right here. Get rid of that box. So this right here, we're going to keep every single screw inside of this thing. Actually, hey, big shout out to Wayne's World. Not Wayne's World. Dwayne's World of Drawing, or whatever the heck his name is. I forgot. Give him a big shout out, because he's the one who gave me the idea of this, and I looked one up on eBay and I found this, and actually it was a great price. So if I need to order me another one, I will. So I'm gonna set this aside, and I'm gonna go and get the parts of that car, and we're gonna put those wheels back together. So okay, right guys, I'm back. I had to get everything gathered up. And also, I even grabbed the body, but we're not going to put the body back on because this is going to be a restoration project. I just want to go through everything and make sure everything is here, which basically Actually, I see from the mold that they actually did this, and a couple of the stickers is coming off. So we're not going to keep the stickers on here. It's actually a shame because I really don't want to lose that sticker. But it does look like someone kind of put this on a little crooked. So this is going to be a restoration project. We're going to sand it all down, cover it all up, and I want to figure out a way to take out that grill. Because I did this on a project before, and I'm going to take these windows out too. These windows do look nice. I wonder if these windows can snap on or snap off. I have to take a look at that. And I want to take out these out, the reflectors out, exhaust tips out. I'm going to take everything out. So all of this right here is going to be a little bit different next time you guys see it. And I'm going to take out these. I'm going to take out the mirrors. The mirrors are still in great condition. Otherwise, let's see. I don't see it now. Maybe it was just a little dirt or something on it. Oh, here it is. It's on this one. There's a little scratch right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, you guys. Now what we're going to do now, because we're not going to use this in the DeLorean project, I wanted to do that, but actually I kind of decided, because I don't know how fast this will be. And which one, bud? You gotta go potty? You gotta go potty? Alright, hey guys, I had to take my dog out real quick. Now, last time I happened to take a look at this. Whoops. This we probably will need in the future. But this right here, I kind of took a look at it. I mean, if we even try to modify this, it probably will not work. Yeah, it does have the lights mechanisms right here. It has everything that we do need. And also I did disconnect but I'm going to reconnect that back in. But that motor is so small that I'm afraid that the weight of the car is going to blow up. So we're going to use this as a nice restoration project, and one of you guys will actually win it. And I did cut the box of that it came in yesterday. Let's see if we can get this back in. The heck? There we go. Got that back in and grab the screws that it needs to go in. And whoop, dropped it on the floor. Now also, you guys, when we do put the DeLorean together and when I shoot the videos for the DeLorean, we will not be filming it in here. And I just happened to realize I got my wrong screwdriver, so I have to go and get my other screwdriver. Alright guys, I got my screwdriver, but when I was off camera I did screw in one of the wheels. And before we actually continue on with this restoration project, that will be we'll probably do this next year, and I'll give this out as a grand prize. Now here's the thing. This is the reason why I don't want to ruin this car. One, these wheels are so damn nice. I mean, look at that. I mean, they may be plastic, but these wheels are so nice. I mean, look at how glow that is. So this is why, another reason why I'm not I decided not to use this, because of that. Because this car is so gorgeous, as what Danny from Count's Customs will say. And he'll probably agree with me if he was actually an RC fanatic. But man, these things just keep on coming right off like that. We'll have to do it like this then. Alright. getting this wheel on. The front wheels are not that bad. The back wheels are not that bad. I did a buggy project of this a long time ago. I took my tires off and I took the rims and I spray painted them red, and it came out so great that I decided to do it again with another car, and I put it up in the yard sale. And believe it or not, both of them cars, the guy that actually bought them, actually bought both of them. And I wasn't even selling them that much, so I made him a bargain price for, let's see, I was about like $20 in the hole with decals that I got. Oh, it's not going in there. See here. I'm just still taking a look at that real nice looking. Now I was thinking maybe we could do that as a nice good color, and maybe nice solid color, maybe not green. Maybe we'll do it like let's see, how about I got a Corvette on my game that I did. Or you know what? Maybe we'll make that into a nice Doom one. What do you say about that, you guys? Alright. Now we got the wheels back on. I'm going to go ahead and put the battery in. And we're going to see how fast this thing is. First, this wheel wants to fight. Okay, it's on. Alright, you guys, now we got the wheels back on. Let's go ahead and see how fast this car exactly is. I know it says on the box, but the box really doesn't say much. I got the original box in there that it does come with, and this right here. Alright, let's see how fast this thing exactly is. Alright, you guys, I'm going to turn you guys around, and we're going to see how fast this thing is. Okay, you guys, I kind of ran it off camera, but I want to let you guys see this. I don't know if the batteries just run dead or nothing, and my dog goes nuts. My dog goes nuts. Hey, come on, bud. Come here. This is how fast it is. Alright, bud. Alright, it's done. Well, I did test it, see how fast it is. It's really not that fast. So basically, with the weight of the DeLorean, this will not even work anyway. So I decided this right here is going to be a nice restoration project for us to do on camera for YouTube. I think you guys will get a nice kick out of it. But, like, from this to this, and actually everything that's on this is actually can be taken right off. So maybe we'll be able to use the frame from the car and stuff from this and put it on that one to make it into a nice RC car. Hey, buddy. Now you actually saw him. If he actually his bark actually hurt you guys' ears, I apologize for that. He does not like RC cars. He does not. And actually, the car did not exactly turn well. So I don't know if it's from, I don't know if the batteries run dead, or maybe I need to charge the battery. The battery does not feel more charged at all, but it does work. So maybe we'll charge the battery, see how it is, and then in another video we'll see how that goes. But also, you see how I got all the screws right here, which basically we're not going to use this for the DeLorean. We're going to use that as the DeLorean. So when I get off camera, I got to take off this all and let go and delete my account pretty soon, because now here's the wires here we got to take out, but maybe we can take out I don't know. Whoa, the body almost got away from me. Alright, you guys, I'm going to have to do this off camera. It's going to take me a little while to do. Yeah, it's going to take me a little while to do. Plus, I might end up breaking it. So, or I might just tape the windows off and just paint the windows on as is. I mean, it does say new bright. I mean, that's actually real great. So, our next video, we're going to take this and we're going to take the stickers off. We're going to take actually wipe everything down on it, and we're going to sand the tarnations out of it. And we're going to see about taking off the, actually it looks like these are not exactly, they're just glued in there or just placed in there. I'll have to take a look at this more off camera. But we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and include this video, guys. But this right here, we're going to do a nice restoration project on it. We're going to restore this body because whoever had it messed up the body up. Not that much, but also I really want to get rid of this green. It's more like hawk green. So we're going to go ahead and paint this another color. Let me know in the comments down below which color you guys want me to paint this, and we'll do that. And I close this video for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.